Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp entry point not found. To know how to fix WhatsApp entry point not found, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp and you will enter. After that, in this page, you will go to click here force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page here, you will go to click clear cache. And then you will go to click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.